Okay guys, today I'm going to show you a Cpagrip content locking trick. But here is the thing, this trick won't work all the time. It will only work when the time is right, not when you want. But when the time is right, this trick will convert really well. So basically today I'm going to show you a Cpagrip tutorial for content locking. So with that being said, let's start. Okay, so first I need to say that this trick will work on any CPA network that offer content locking. But for the purpose of this video, I am going to use Cpagrip. So what you need to do, you need to go here on monetization tools and then on video lockers. And then click here on create a new video locker. Agree to the terms of condition, click here on continue, and now you need to create your video content locker. Now here you can leave this as it is, or you can simply say complete the survey below to unlock, to view this content, something like that. Now here, also for the name, you can leave it as it is, or you can change the name, doesn't really matter. Here you can see here you can change how many offers you wish to show. Here you can see there is currently 4 offers, as you can see here, but you can change it, for example, to be 5 or 3 or 2, doesn't really matter. Now, what you need to do here, you can also change this, but I suggest to leave it as it is. But what you need to do is actually what I suggest you to do is to click here on show offers. Now here you need to choose a country, so let's just say, for example, United States, okay? United States. And what I suggest is to actually choose a mobile offers, because we are actually going to target a mobile offers, mobile content, mobile traffic, okay? And I will choose this one here also. And after you add as many offers as you want, just click here on hide offers. And after this, all you have to do is just click here on save, okay? And now what you need to do, you need to click here on get the code, okay? That is really important. We need this HTML code. And then click here, enable no JavaScript. Click here on enable ad block protection. And then just click here, copy this code and paste that code here in the notepad, because we are going to need this code. Stay with me, in a minute it will all make sense. Okay, so next thing we need to do, we need to go on Google Sites and we need to create a one-page website that will basically be our bridge page. So what you need to do, you need to click here on blank in order to create a new one-page website. Now here we need to add a title. Now this is really important part of this video, so please pay close attention, because this is the point. Here for the title I will add something like, for example, celebrity fails. Now this is the point. You need to find a hot and trending topic. Celebrity fails always work, because everybody wishes to see celebrity fails, and that is why that content go viral really easy. So all you have to do, so let me just make this, for example, bold to make it more visible, okay? So now what you need to do, you actually need to find content that you will lock, that people will want to see. This is an easy money. So what you need to do, you need to find celebrity fails. Now just recently I found out that Katy Perry eye glitch was a huge trend. Now to find these trends, you can simply go on meme websites, you can search for Twitter, for Instagram, or for tabloids, okay? Now like I said, Katy Perry eye glitch was a huge trend. So for example, when we go here on Google Trends, we will see that Katy Perry trend was below average. And then in the end of the October, it was a huge trend. It was maximum popularity. That was when she actually had that eye glitch. So what you need to do, you need to find a video of that. So simply go here on YouTube and then simply search for Katy Perry eye malfunctioning, okay? As you can see, it is most searched topic. And for example, this is the video. So what you need to do, you need to click here on this video. So let me just pause this and then click here on share, okay? And then click here on embed. This is really important. Now here you can see embed code. Simply copy that, Ctrl C, go back on Google Sites and then just click here on embed. And here you can click on embed code and click here to paste that in next. As you can see, they pulled the video, click here on insert, and they automatically added this video. Now you can make this larger like this. And what you need to do now is you actually need to lock this content. So now we need our Cpagrip content locking code. So what I need to do, I simply need to copy this. So let me just minimize, and then click here on this pencil to edit this. Click here, and then you can simply add that here, okay? And now just click here on next, give it a second, and as you can see it is now locked. Click here on save, give it a second, and now this content is locked. Please complete the survey below to unlock this protected content. Like I said, you can change this on Cpagrip to say to view this video or something like that. And now people will need to finish this survey in order to unlock and watch this video. This works really well because, like I said, people like to watch celebrity fails. Currently it is Katy Perry, but also currently Elon Musk taking over Twitter is a huge trend. He's always making some stuff and he's sharing that on Twitter. You can easily share those videos, lock those videos and that content, and it will go viral. Okay? So what you need to do next, you need to start promoting this Google Bridge page in order to start getting traffic. So next thing you need to do, you need to go on Canva and you need to click here on mobile video, and Canva will automatically give you right dimensions. So what you need to do next is you need to click here on uploads and you need to upload a Katy Perry eye glitch video. So just click here on upload files and upload that video. Give it a few seconds to actually upload that video here on Canva, and then you need to edit that video slightly. You actually need to add a call to action on this video. So just give it a few seconds to actually upload this video. Okay, it uploaded this video. So what I need to do, I simply need to drag that here. Okay, and that video should be really short, because when we go back here on YouTube, here you will see that this video actually is 55 seconds long. But my video will be only 5 seconds long. Let's just say it's actually to be only 10 seconds long video, okay? Because I need them to click on my call to action. So what I need to do, I need to click here on T for text, choose one of these text styles, let's just say this one. I don't need this, so I will delete it. And here I need to add my call to action, and I can say something like this. Click the link in the bio to watch the full video. Or you can say something like that, depending where you are sharing this video. So let me just make this wider, just like this, okay? And actually I will make this smaller, like this. And again wider, just like this. And I will make this center, like this. And now I will just move it, for example, here. Okay, and now people will see this. Click the link in the bio to watch a full video. And this is the 10 seconds long video. So, like I said, this video is 55 seconds long. So all I have to do now is just click here on share and then click here on download. Download MP4 video. And all I have to do now is just start uploading this video on different platforms in order to start getting traffic. You can go on YouTube and you can upload this video, this shorts that you created in Canva. You can upload it on YouTube as a YouTube Shorts. You can also upload it on Instagram as a Instagram Reels. You can upload it on TikTok. You can upload it on Twitter, on your Twitter page. You can also upload it on your Pinterest page. Also share it on your Facebook profile, on your Facebook fan page in related Facebook groups. Share it on Reddit. Share it on related forums, in related blogs. Pay people to promote your video and add a link to your Google Bridge page where you have a content locker, where you locked this video. So people will have to finish the survey in order to watch a full video. Trust me guys, if you hit the right trend, this works really well. Its conversion rate is amazing. Trust me, this works if you do everything right. So this is how you do content locking on a Cpagrip. So basically, like I said, this is a Cpagrip tutorial. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.